Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You lied.
Good morning, guys. It is a Sunday here. We woke up late and we're just now making breakfast. I think it's like almost 11 in the morning. And yeah, we're doing this. Oh, let me show you what we woke up to. So Duke, look at the shame. Look at that shame. Yeah, Duke went poopy in the house. I have no idea when it happened, but yeah. He's a really weird dog, so sometimes he just does stuff like that. Here we are. And Brandon took his bed as punishment and gave him a towel. So that's his towel bed.
We just gave him a big, giant, fluffy bed too, so you know he's not happy.
He recently got his bed upgraded, so he's a little annoyed. You can tell he's not very happy that he doesn't have his bed right
The
now.
dog just got up, looked around, took a shit, went and laid back down. Didn't even try. Pure laziness, dude. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Hey guys, so I thought I would do a little bit of a check-in since I haven't really been vlogging much this week. I've honestly just been extremely busy with work and contracts and all of the jazz of being an influencer and a content creator, which if you guys want me to talk more about it, I will. I love actually watching that kind of content, and I know that it's something that I can teach you guys too, because I'm experiencing a lot of things for the first time, but I've also been around for a little bit, so it's kind of cool. I've just been extremely busy. Nevertheless, my vlog is super important to me, so I am trying to capture smaller moments in my day to give you something for the week. I am going to have more interesting week this coming up week because I'm going to be leaving to PA. We're going to do another road trip, so you guys will be watching all of that. So if you guys liked my previous road trip to Pennsylvania, or when I flew up there earlier in the year, go check those out. And if you haven't seen it, I have them linked below. I've also been doing my fall outfit series, which has been super duper fun. I might pop it over here, but it also requires a lot of work, which is okay because anything that's worth having in this world requires work. Yeah, it's been kind of an interesting week. I've got, I think this is like my third or fourth coffee of the day, and it's my last coffee of the day, and I still have some work to do. I have to prep because since I'm traveling, I need to make sure that all of the stuff that I want to have done is done in terms of filming and all of that. But yeah, I also have the room is a total mess. I'm just gonna show you guys because I'm gonna be realistic. He doesn't have his bed back. I'm in my bedroom right now and I want to show you guys the mess I have in here. In the middle of doing laundry. We just got back from the gym. I've been working in my office upstairs, and I also have all the stuff that I need to start packing. We got our Xbox out last night and we were playing some Borderlands, so it's been a little bit chaotic, if you know what I mean. And then I got all those boxes down there, which are literally like influencer collaborations, items that brands have sent to me. Opened it to look at it, and then I put it back under there because I still need to schedule filming, posting, all that jazz, and I'm like in the middle of getting ready to go. But yeah, interesting. So let's just film the rest of my interesting day. Also, this is my aloe yoga. It's an older set. I don't think they make it anymore. But this is an aloe set. This is my favorite bra. I think it suits me super well. Bottom shorts are really big on me now that I've lost some weight, but it's always cold in the office, but let's get some work done.
It's always cold in the office.
It is. Hey, do you want to go on a walk? I want to go on a walk.